Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these RayBan sunglasses, model RB3183. The color of the frame is silver. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it won't get scratched or damaged. And the lenses are also polarized. These glasses are also rectangular shape. On its temples, you'll find the RayBan logo. And the temple tips are black. On its inner right temple, you'll find the RayBan logo and that it's polarized. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, which is RB3183, the color code, which is 00482, and the dimensions of the frame. 63 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 125 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a RayBan box, a RayBan case, a RayBan cleaning cloth, and a RayBan booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.